How to view protected tweets without following them. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you the quick way to view protected tweets without following them. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch Twitter or X application on your device. If you haven't, then you have to sign in or log into your particular account. Tap on the search icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And with the help of the search bar at top of the screen, you need to search for the specific person that you want to see the protected tweets without following them. So once you have searched for that particular person, and then if in the case that this person is currently on a private or account or protected account, of course you will not be able to view their tweets, but you will have an option to view tweets related to what they tweet. So we can actually have some search results. So let's come back from the section first and then type in the username of that particular user again. Tap on view more account, and here on the latest you can easily see some results. You could also see or view the person who have replied to the tweets of that person, and we can also proceed to get gist of what the person is trying to tweet. So from here we can easily view or get the gist of the protected tweets without following them. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos.